Unleash the power of professional photography with the top 5 smartphones for 2023. The Oppo Find X5 Pro is a top-of-the-line smartphone designed for photography enthusiasts. With a price tag of $1,280, it may be slightly more expensive than previous models, but it offers a range of advanced camera features that make it well worth the investment. The device features 3 rear cameras, each with a specific purpose. The primary camera is a 50-megapixel sensor with an f1.7 aperture, allowing for exceptional low-light performance. The wide-angle camera, also 50 megapixels, has an f2.2 aperture and is ideal for capturing panoramic shots with plenty of detail. Finally, the 13-megapixel telephoto lens has an f2.4 aperture and 2x zoom capabilities, without sacrificing image quality. The front-facing camera is also noteworthy, with 32 megapixels and an f2.4 aperture, ensuring that your selfies will be stunning. In addition to its impressive camera features, the Oppo Find X5 Pro also boasts advanced processing capabilities and a noise reduction system, making it a truly remarkable smartphone. The Huawei P50 Pro boasts an impressive camera system, featuring 4 rear cameras. The primary camera is a 50-megapixel lens with an f/1.8 aperture, optical stabilization, and autofocus. This is supported by a 40-megapixel monochrome lens with an f/1.6 aperture, which enhances the depth and detail of your photos. Additionally, there is a 13-megapixel ultra-wide-angle lens with an f/2.2 aperture and a 64-megapixel telephoto lens with an f/3.5 aperture, allowing for a 3.5x zoom without sacrificing image quality. The front-facing camera is also 13 megapixels and has an f/2.4 aperture. The P50 Pro also has an automatic photography mode that is capable of adapting to any situation, even in low-light conditions. All these features are available for $1,060, which is considered a great deal compared to its competitors. The Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra stands out for its advanced night mode capabilities, thanks to its super clear glass lenses that reduce glare and maintain image definition in low-light conditions. Its automatic framing function is also a standout feature, allowing for up to 10 people to be in focus at the same time, making it perfect for group shots and events. The S22 Ultra also boasts a powerful camera system, with 4 rear cameras. The main camera is a 108-megapixel lens with an f/1.8 aperture, capable of capturing incredibly detailed and high-resolution photos. The second camera is a 12-megapixel ultra-wide-angle lens with an f/2.2 aperture, ideal for capturing panoramic views. The third camera is a 10-megapixel telephoto lens with an f/4.9 aperture and optical zoom up to 10x without losing quality. The fourth camera is a 10-megapixel lens with a more modest x3 zoom and an f/2.4 aperture, for intermediate distances. Overall, the Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra is an excellent choice for those who want to take high-quality photos and videos, and it starts at $950. The Google Pixel 6 Pro is considered by many to be one of the best camera phones on the market today. It features 3 rear cameras, including a 50-megapixel main camera with an f/1.8 aperture, a 12-megapixel ultra-wide-angle camera with an f/2.2 aperture for panoramic shots, and a 48-megapixel telephoto lens with an f/3.5 aperture and up to 4x zoom without distortion. One of the standout features of the Pixel 6 Pro is its night sight function, which allows for capturing a great amount of detail in light and low light conditions. The Tensor processor also provides excellent support for all the camera's capabilities and functions. What makes the Pixel 6 Pro particularly impressive is that all of these features work together seamlessly to produce high-quality photos and videos, and all of this is available at a very reasonable price of $700. The iPhone 13 Pro Max is a high-end smartphone with a price tag of $1,100. While the cost may seem steep, the features and capabilities of the device make it worth the investment. One of the standout features of the iPhone 13 Pro Max is its camera system, which includes 3 rear cameras. Although the megapixel count of these cameras may not be the highest, the main camera boasts an f/1.5 aperture, making it one of the largest apertures available in a smartphone camera. This allows for the capture of high-quality, detailed images. The front-facing camera, while considered average, has a 12-megapixel resolution and an f/2.2 aperture. These features are supported by the A15 Bionic processor, which allows for high-definition and cinematic-style photos and videos to be captured. The device also features a 6.7-inch OLED screen, which provides an immersive viewing experience. Whether you are an iPhone fan or prefer to explore other brands, the iPhone 13 Pro Max is a powerful device that is gaining popularity worldwide. Share your thoughts on the device in the comments and don't forget to like and subscribe for more content.